This is the grandstand section, and it's modular just like the pit wall. And I have so far made 5 6 different modules here. And this is the left and the right section with the capability or possibility of adding an entrance here in the middle. The entrance will of course also have a fence in front. I just didn't print that yet. So we have this version. It is with chairs. There is also a version where I use benches, so that's a cheaper version. So this is sort of like the VIP lounge for, and it also has a roof, and there is lights installed inside the roof, so you can actually turn on and off the light, off and on the light here. And that's made using 10 centimeter strips of LED, and then the wire can be run along this and down and get out here behind it through the bottom, so you can drill a hole in your track and get the wires completely hidden. Right here they are just laying around and being a bit messy on my work table, but you can hide the wires without problems. So this is the grandstand. There is also a module where we have an opening both here and over here, so you can attach several of these modules together to create a massive grandstand. And there is a version where we can place the stairs along each other with no railing in here, so we can have the stair in the middle, and then we can have the seats up on both sides. And there is a version only with seats, so there are actually a lot of possibilities. I am still working on making something that turns. I have tested to print this both in scale 1 to 32 as you see here, but it has also been printed in scale 1 to 64 and 1 to 43 without any problems. So I think this is a pretty cool system. The sides here on the newer versions, this is my prototype, there is this connection point where you can add a clip and then just click these pieces together. So that works really nice. I have tested that. And on the back side there are some artwork for guiding all of the guests, the what do you call spectators, and grandstand seat A1 to A10 and so on, and entrance tickets required. And you can add a lot of small details here. I'm of course going to make some people that's sitting down and spectating the race. So hope you like it.